Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You came back. In this week's video, what I have for you is a fun little springtime mani that I saw on Pinterest. And here's the picture that I saw, and I decided to recreate it. And so I did. I didn't do as well as that picture, but I think it turned out really cute, and it was super simple and super easy. So if you're into seeing how I created that mani, go ahead and stick around and let's get into it. Okay, so what I have here is I built my apex and I did 3 dips of SB56 on my these 3 fingers, and then I did DP45 on these 2 fingers, and then I mixed together these 3 colors to make my green because I didn't have a green, and the colors are SG 135, Gel 1, Gel 10, all for Sparkle & Co. And then my burgundy over there is this one, which is Gel 19. And I have my dotting tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some flowers on my DP45 Delicate fingers to kind of tie the yellow in and be springy happiness. So when I got done dipping, I did do I did a dip of clear, I buffed, I filed, a top coated. If you want your gel to last, I recommend doing a gel base, roughing, not doing a top coat. Well, you could do a top coat and then buff it lightly and then do a gel base over to help it stick. I did not do that personally this time because I know this is not going to last very long because my hands are mismatched and that drives me crazy. I don't like doing that, but I've done it this time. So I'm going to take the round part of the dotting tool. It does have this other part which would be good for dragging, but I just want dots. So I'm going to get in here and we're going to put 5 little dots close to each other. That kind of ran into each other, but that's okay. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm not going to fret. I'm going to do one as if it's like coming off the finger over here. I'm going to do one down here. Doesn't have to be perfect. Also, if you don't like it, the thing that's great about gel is you can start over. No biggie. And then I'm just going to pull these in a little bit just to make it kind of like a flower. I'm going to do a couple yellow ones. I'm going to kind of pull those in a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfect. And this one, I just did like 3 little dots over there. Okay. Then we are going to give this a quick cure. 60 seconds in the lamp. And then we're going to go back with opposite colors. I'm going to take yellow and I'm just going to dot inside my purple, burgundy, and I'm going to take my burgundy, dot inside my yellow. Right, and then once we have that on there, then I'm going to take the more narrow side and I'm gonna do like little, take the green, do like little leaves. I'm just gonna dot and drag. Dot and drag. It's all around randomly. And then I'm gonna take this narrow side again. I'm gonna take some of this burgundy and I'm just gonna put 3 little dots in random places. Or 2 dots, whatever I can fit. I'm gonna give that a good 60-second cure. Right, and that is what it looks like when it's done curing. I think I'm gonna put some on my pinky too. All right, so pinky's so much smaller. All right. Maybe we'll do one more little purple one down here. No, let's go. We'll call that good. Okay, let's put some. I kept them much further away this time. You can see how that kind of looks. And also, let's give that a quick 30-second cure. Okay, then we want to put opposite colored dots in the middle. Oops, I'm using the wrong end. I'm gonna do my little green accents. Like that. Got a little wily here, guys. Got a little wily. That's what I love about gel. You mess up, it's okay. Just wipe it off. And put a few little purple dots around. I'm gonna give that a good 60-second cure. All right, and that is what it looks like, you guys. I'm gonna go out and get some pictures, and I'm back. So what did you guys think of that video? Did you like that video? Was that something that you found enjoyable? Would you like to see me doing more gel type designs in stuff? I don't know if that's something that y'all are into, but if it is something that you're into, go ahead and give this video a like and leave me a comment down below letting me know what you would like to see in the future. And thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week, likely in my truck. Okay? Okay. Bye. This is just water, obviously. I know what you're thinking. She's in her room and not in her truck. You see, what had happened was there's not very many loads out of Washington. It's actually kind of difficult to get out of Washington as a truck driver. So we're still home and hoping to soon be out of here and be back on the road. Let's tease that shit. Yeah, bitch. I want you guys to know that I am Still planning on doing a giveaway on Instagram. I'll probably do it the next time I'm home. I just, with everything going on, although I do know that it would like brighten days, I just don't feel comfortable sending things in the mail. It's just a lot, and I'm trying to like do my part to like be safe. So I'm not doing that right now, but I am going to do it as soon as things chill out, which I'm sure is going to be soon, and I will still be doing my giveaway over on Instagram, and it is going to be a big one. I'm telling you, there are going to be a lot of things, and it is going to be really good. So go over to Instagram if you're not already, and that's really all I have for you guys this week. Tell me what you think about blue eyeliner in the comments below, because